Hi viewers, we are heading for such a place which needs no introduction, Vidyarthi Bhavan.
For the viewers to subscribe to their channel, Bite the Globe.
Thank you, Sejal.
Located in the busy bustling streets of Gandhi Bazaar, this Vidyarthi Bhavan is originally founded to serve as a meeting place for students. Today it has evolved into a gastronomical landmark. The restaurant's enduring popularity lies not only in its delectable offerings but also in its timeless charm featuring old world interiors and wooden furniture. This evokes a sense of nostalgia.
Hi, we are at the legendary Vidyarthi Bhavan. It has been there for since 1943. You can also see the place has that nostalgic vibe. They have just still maintained that, and you'll quickly see what food we are having here. So as you can see, the walls are actually not enough to go ahead and keep different awards that they've been getting. Could be your Times of India's Times Food, could be the week, and a lot of other, Times City, different kinds of, the dine outs, right? And you can also see the pictures of all legendary people actually having food here. All the CMs of Karnataka, right from your S.M. Krishna, even, the legendary Rajkumar, right? So you can see all of those. So yeah, I'm excited about having food here now.
Here comes the showstopper stacked masala dosa. The crispy dosa along with the potato filling is a delicacy here.
Hey, hi friends. We are at the legendary Vidyarthi Bhavan. Believe me, it is very difficult to record a video here because we came at almost closing 11:30 on a Wednesday. Still, the place is extremely crowded. It's like me and Fatima were sitting on the other side. We actually had two other people sitting over, so we couldn't be recording it. We already finished our dosa. We did finish our idli. We also had puri. And then we also had the Kesari Bath. Now just the vada at the legendary Vidyarthi Bhavan. So let's try this. The sambar's consistency is not very thick, but despite of that, it's very flavorful. Now let me help myself with the spoon here. And let's try the Kesari Bath also. Small pieces of pineapple in there. That gives you a good feel when you actually keep biting it. It's good. Thank you. Finishing finally with the filter coffee. It's good.
The friendly gesture of the team introducing the place made us feel like home.
Hello everyone. We are with Mr. Arun Faraz.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you for speaking in the channel.
Thank you.
So I would like to know, we know that this is 1943. We'd like to know a little history about Vidyarthi Bhavan.
It was It was started in 1943 by two brothers,
Okay.
Venkatramana and Parameshwara Oral.
Okay.
And in 1970, my father bought it from them. My
Okay.
father is the second management.
Okay. Okay.
So for the last 53 years, my father has been running this, and I have joined it.
His good name, sir?
Ramkrishna Adiga.
Okay. And which part of Karnataka?
We are all from coastal side, Udupi side,
From
Kundapur.
Udupi side. Okay. Okay. So before to Vidyarthi Bhavan also, you were into the hotel kind.
No, my father was working in a different hotel.
Okay.
At that point of time in his career, he wanted to start something on his own. Due to some mutual common friends, we are all coming from Udupi side. No, he came to know that this is they are going to sell this,
Okay.
and had a discussion with them, and he bought it. So it was such a smooth handover, including the name and the staff. Without a disruption, the management got changed, and my father continued in the same name, same recipe, same menu, same staff.
Amazing, sir. Amazing. And then even this quickly talking of, we see a lot of videos of your dosa being served on a hand, like
Stack.
on a stack, and then at a time multiple dosas are served. And interestingly, I also heard that there are specific requirements that if there are longer hands, more dosas would be stacked, something like that.
No. The thing is, see, the fundamentals are in one tawa we prepare 16 dosas, 15 to 16.
Okay.
And one supplier serves 4 tables. So invariably, most of them who would have come here, mind is already set to come and eat a dosa here. So obviously, his order would be around 15 to 16 when it is full. So for all the 16 people, he has to carry dosa. Multiple journeys to the kitchen will make the dosa soft,
Yeah.
cold, or
Little soggy.
which is on the tawa, it becomes over roasted.
Exactly.
So he has to pick up at the same time. That is how when stacking happened.
So that is some logistic lessons that we all are learning here.
So that's how it got done. And there has been a lot of speculation or critics telling that it's not hygienic, stacking 1 hour they above. My basic question is, in the first place, they say dosa, the bottom of the plate is touching the dosa.
Exactly.
But please tell me, where is the dosa touching? Front of the plates, right? The plates are 360 degree cleaned, and it goes through the dishwashing, commercial dishwashing process, and even
Warm water.
no, not warm water. It goes to what do you call that? The process as a steaming. Steaming. All the plates are
It's
steamed.
completely distilled
Yeah.
kind of.
So it is 360 degrees done. Not only the top of the plate. Even the bottom of the plate is as clean as the top of the plate.
Obviously, because that's just
And
being
dosa is
removed.
touching the plate. Forget plate touching the dosa. Dosa itself is touching the plate. So where is the...
And one last question is like, I know that the place has a very nostalgic sense. I also know that this is recently made. I remember last time we didn't have it, but yeah, and I hope and wish that this will be continued because
So
that
basically we
feel
want to preserve the old.
Exactly.
This is a own building. We could have demolished and constructed a multi-storied modern facilities. But we wanted to retain that old look because people have lost a lot of nostalgic memories here. So we need to respect that. We are just the custodians of their memories.
Absolutely, that's a very good way of putting it. Thank you so much, Arunji. Thank you so much. If you could also say that to subscribe to Bite the Globe, it will help us.
Oh, definitely, Bite the Globe. Thank you for covering us and wish you all the best. And I request all the subscribers or the viewers to subscribe to their channel, Bite the Globe.
Thank you, sir.
Whether you are a local exploring your city's rich culinary history or a traveler seeking an authentic South Indian dining experience, Vidyarthi Bhavan stands as a symbol of Bangalore's gastronomic legacy, inviting everyone to savor the flavors of the past and the present. So that was the story of Vidyarthi Bhavan. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.